What's up, everybody? Right now we are in the cute little town of Soquel. Apparently named after the Soquel Indians. Somewhere around here laid Sam's Senate Saloon at one time. This here must be the Soquel Creek. Apparently this place used to flood quite often. There's Sir Froggy's Pub. Back in the mid-1800s, apparently a flood washed away an old sawmill and also a bunch of lodges around here. This is Old San Jose Road, or Soquel San Jose Road. It officially starts right about here at the Soquel High School. Here is Ann something or other, Ann Cummins Park, but I think better known as Blue Ball Park. A little cemetery for you. You can take this road all the way to San Jose. Well, not all the way to San Jose, but this road will lead you to Summit Road, which will lead you back to Highway 17, or just before that, Old Santa Cruz Highway. This is the original route between Santa Cruz and San Jose. Old San Jose was the old name. Soquel San Jose is the actual current name of this road. You can find many little farms and farm stands if you want to get some fresh picked fruit along this road. Also a lot of horse stables and I don't know, what have you. So there's a farm stand, open 10 to 6. Everett Farms. Get your beets and carrots. Or just fly by all the way up to Summit Road if you turn left, or Highland Way if you turn right. Highland Way is a pretty bumpy, a lot of one lane road. You can take all the way to Watsonville if you wanted to. There's also a lot of mountain bike trails up there I haven't been to, but whenever I ride by I see lots of mountain bikers. There's another farm and horses. It's definitely not the quick route to get to San Jose, but it's a little bit more scenic. Probably one you'd want to take on a little Sunday ride, Sunday drive. I have not yet been to this little market. Often tempted to stop by, but I have not. If you're coming from Santa Cruz, you could also take this road to Highland Way, which leads to Buzzards Lagoon. I made a video about that not too long ago. So if you're curious and coming from Santa Cruz, this isn't a bad way to get there. This is the way you would go to get to San Jose if there were serious problems with Highway 17, which has happened before. Pretty low-lying road here. Not really any good lookout spots, just a nice little valley to ride through. Some ways back there, I think, was Mountain View Road, which you can take to Branciforte Avenue, and then you can take that either to Glen Canyon Road or Granite Creek Road to Scotts Valley. Something like 14 miles to Summit Road. Though it doesn't seem like it could be that far. Maybe I'm wrong. Couldn't find a whole lot of other history here. This must be an extension of a road that was built by Mountain Charlie. Old Santa Cruz, old San Jose. I can only assume. Guess I'll mention here that I went to Cherry Lake to go camping. Unfortunately, I did not bring the motorcycle. However, I think next time I likely will. There's some good fire roads, it looks like. Just an overall nice highway to ride down to Cherry Lake. Beautiful area. Rather than taking the motorcycles, I took the kayak, and that was fun. That was a lot of fun. But I did slightly regret not having the motorcycle with me. Looks like we made it to the Summit Road intersection. To the left is Summit Road. To the right is Highland Way. And we're stuck behind a whole lot of cars. So I will probably just end it here. And see you guys next time.